Hey guys, welcome to the final part of Django ORM series. So in this one we are going to again look at field lookup filters, and in this one we are going to cover the in operator, then GT that is greater than equal to, LT that is less than, and LTE that is less than and equal to. So without any further ado, let's get started. And make sure to watch the previous videos because we have changed the database and the configuration for changing the database is shown in one of the videos. So make sure to watch the previous videos and then come to this video. So let's get started. We are going to start by first checking in the in operator, and for that we are going to start by creating a new endpoint, and this will be called as lookup filters 5. Okay, and this will be again taking in self, this should be underscore request args and keyword args. Since new endpoint, so we are going to declare the action decorator, and detail will be equal to false. Then we have methods which will be equal to get. Okay, and in this one we are going to receive the IDs from the URL that is in the query param. So we are going to take up the IDs. So ID will be request.get and IDs. It is IDs. Then we are since it will be comma separated string, so we have to split it and convert it into list. So I'm going to do that now. So IDs will be IDs dot split, and I'm going to put a comma over here. So this will be now type as list, and previously it will be type as string. So for in operator we require the filter to be of type list. Now I'm going to do that. So query set will be equal to post, that is model dot objects dot filter. Okay, and in this one, since we are going to filter it on IDs, so the field name, that is ID 2 underscores 1 and 2, and then in, okay, and equal to this IDs. So make sure that this is list, and this is how the syntax is. So field name underscore in equal to IDs, or like whatever you want to pass it over here. And once this is done, we are going to just serialize it and pass return the response. So I'm going to copy paste it from the previous one, and there we go, it is ready. So let's run and see. So python manage.py run server. Make sure to activate your environment because my environment is already activated, so I can directly run it. I'm over here. Let's go to post and in this one we are going to look at lookup filter 5. And since we have not handled that properly, we are always expecting it to pass something from the URL. So that's why this error, and it is not really an error. So I'm going to pass 1 over here. So if I pass 1, it just returns me with 1, and then I'm going to pass 2 because we want to like get multiple data. So that's why I passed 1 and 2, and it returned me with both of them. And if I put 3, it will return me with third one also. Likewise, we can put n number of IDs over here, and this code will work. So it will always take in the IDs, then it will split it and convert it into list, and then it will use this filter, that is in field lookup filter, and it will return us with all the data. So that was how in works. Now we are going to move to GT, that is greater than, and then greater than equal to. So let's again create a new endpoint. Why don't I copy this? Lookup filter 6. No change over here. And for this one, actually I have done a model change. So if you see post model over here, you can see there is a new field called as views. And previously if you see, it wasn't present. So I've created a new field called as views, and by default I have given it as 0. So we are assuming that this post model has a new field that is of type integer, so that I can use this field to compare it over here. Okay, so whatever we want, we'll be using that. So what I meant over here is user will send a specific number of views, and then we'll be filtering based on that. Like say views should be greater than say 10 view, then only those records should be returned to me. So that is why I have introduced this view field, and it is of type integer so that we can use it for comparison. So let's extract views count from the URL. So views, and it will be again request dot get and it will be view, and we have now number of views that we want like to be greater than. So the query set will be post.objects.filter, and the field name, so view is the field name, underscore actually let me verify, views is the field name, sorry, views underscore gt, that is greater than these many number of views. Okay, so I want all the records whose views are greater than the user passed views in the URL. So that is what we are going to solve, and I will copy these two lines because it is always the same. Serialize it and return the data. So save, and we will go back. I might have to change the views because all the views are 0. So let's change this one to say 25. Let's go to post list, then ID number 3, and in this one instead of this it will be 25. Okay, done. Refresh. Yes, this is 25. Field lookup 6. So if I go to extra action, there is a new field filter, that is field lookup 6, and of course it will give us error because we have to pass in the views equal to, say I want all the records whose views are greater than 10. Something is wrong, let me check. It is views. Okay, so we are going to change this to views because we want this name and this name should be same. So if I click on this now, it works. It returned me with all the data, all the objects whose views are greater than 10. So if we change say of to 15, we should get this as well because it is more than 10. That is right, correct. And say if we want all the views which are greater than 15, it returns me with only 1. And now say if you want to compare all the views who are equal to and greater than 15, then we will have to change the query. So we will do that now. I'm going to copy paste it, comment the above one, and the only change over here is we have to put E. Just note views, that is field name underscore gt. Gt means greater than and E means equal to. So gte equal to views. So it will return me all the data whose views are equal to or greater than 15. Did I save it? No, I didn't save it. So let me save and again press enter over here, and there we go. We got both of them. So that is how GT and GTE, that is greater than and greater than equal to, works. Now quickly we'll do for less than and less than equal to. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Then the query set will be equal to model.objects.filter views underscore LT, that means less than the views. So get me all the post objects whose views are less than these many views, and then copy paste these two, and this will be field lookup 7. Go back to here, refresh the page once, and field number 7. Over here we are going to give views equal to, say I want all the views all the posts whose views are less than 20. So it will return me this one and this one. Okay, so that is how the less than works. And if I say 15, it will exclude that one, right? So now we want less than equal to 15. So for that I'm going to copy this and paste it, like in greater than and equal to, same way in less than also there is equal to, that we have to put LTE. Okay, and save it. And if we go back over here, refresh the page, and there we go, it works. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have learned something new. If you have, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share, and do comment down which topic should I cover next. So see you in the next one.